With the holidays coming up, I was super excited to be able to try out these Merry Christmas scented candles. And oh my goodness, do they smell amazing. I can smell them even before I open the box. They're packaged really nicely. These came in the mail and not one single issue with the shipping. Each one of these Dreamy Doula candles has a different Christmas themed smell. This one is Christmas spices. Yum. I can smell the cinnamon on that one. Ooh, and then we have candy cane, which is peppermint, vanilla, sugar, and caramel. Yum, this one smells so good. Then we have Christmas tree. I love that it says all the different scents that are included, and these labels are really pretty. Christmas cookies, can't go wrong with Christmas cookies. Christmas mulled cider. And Christmas fireside, yum.